Hi everyone. Welcome back to another video from Tech It's Simple. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to log into your COINDCX account. So, let's get started right away. First of all, launch or open a web browser and go to the URL box. Type in COINDCX.com and press enter on the keyboard to end up on the official website of COINDCX. Once you're on the official site, click on the Login button at the top right-hand corner, and you will end up on the sign-in page. To sign into your account, you will need to enter your email address associated with your COINDCX account. Make sure to use the same email that you used while registering for the account. After entering your email ID, go to the next field and type in your correct password for your account. If you don't remember your password, you can get help by clicking the Forgot Password link and following through the instructions. After filling in both of your credentials, click Login, and then it'll prompt you to enter a 6-digit OTP sent to your registered mobile number. Once you find it, enter it in the text box and click on Sign In. Soon after you do that, you will be able to log into your COINDCX account within a few minutes. So, that's how easily it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.